Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Ta-da! It's always fun to get to this place where we're doing our flip through and our show and tell and all that stuff. They're twinsies, so I'm just going to show one. And yeah, they turned out so good. It seemed like with this one, I guess I had to wait for a while for it to finish it up because of the 100-day project, but it just seemed like it had a natural flow to it, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. But yeah, it just seemed like it just had such a natural flow and came together just almost organically, we'll say. So the front and the back are those front covers for the journal kit. I did do a, it's a piece of foam under there to give it a raised effect, stacked image. I like to use that foam sheets to go under here. Now, you know, of course I use the foam tape stuff and things like that, but this is just the foam and you glue it on there. Just foam sheets like you make kids stuff out of. But it's good. It's very dense and very good quality. So, and I made a stacked image pocket down here. Just a flat one. Really cool. Put a couple of journal cards in there. This is one of the ones that we made a while back that has the sneaky writing spot inside. It's kind of a, you know, one of those things where you go, oh, that's fun. And I decorated both sides of it because it's going on the front. So there you go. So inside, you remember these? So much fun. Now each of the pages is a pocket page. So we've got big journal cards in behind there. This is a belly band. So we've got this word hometown, right? And this opens up. We've got our stacked image pocket here with, you know, of course, some journal cards. On the other side, it's just the mirror image of this one, more or less. Different window card for that. It's a belly band. Got our stuff there. We've got our big journal card in there. I don't know. It was a lot of fun to make these. Stacked image pocket there. Loads of fun. Velcroed, right? In here, I went ahead and did a little pull-out notebook. Just, you know, a few sheets in there. You can write. Pull it out and write, right? These also, if you didn't think about it, I mean, they're not real stiff, but they would be a good book board to put in there and write on if it gets lumpy bumpy on you. It would work. So let's get this back in there, and it just slides in like so. So on this one, the center, you know, we've got the signature in there, but these two are sort of mirror images as well. So we've got our big journal card. Some of them are just pages, and some of them are the background pages, and some of them are this and that. Writing space in here because we did that fun fold. And then we've got all this in here, just prettiness. We've got a little stacked image pocket there. Just adorable. Our signature is pretty big, actually, because we've got all the pages from the journal pages in there to write on. Just beautiful. Awesome. Okay, again, we've got, let me find our journal card. It's in here somewhere. We've got our journal card in here, our writing space here. Just beautiful. We've got our stacked image pocket there. Just so pretty. Like I said, it's just an organic, you know, it just came together so fun and easy. Okay, I know there's a thing. Okay, this one is just one of the background pages, backed on file folder. All my journal cards are backed with file folder. So there you go. Now, this one doesn't have the stacked image pockets because, yeah, we've got big journal cards there because they all are page pockets. Another stacked image pocket. Stacked image. Nope. Another journal card there. Okay, so in here, well, we've got this, right? We've got our slider that slides. Slides really easy when you're not on camera, okay? Okay, we've got our, this is a belly band. We open this up and we've got a couple of journal cards in there in the big pocket. Then we've got a little journal card in our little pocket, and if you remember, this opens up. Yep, it opens up and you've got all these flips in here. You've got 4, and you can put pictures on the back of this, on these, on the back of these, and in here, lots of space to put lots of things. And then this just tucks right in there for closure. That's pretty. Okay, so that is a powerhouse little thing right there. Okay, over here, this is our last page, and I did put 3 Velcros on this because it opens up and you've got all the spare journal cards in there. You've got a journal card that slides into here, right in there like so, because that's a pocket behind there. And this also is a little double expandable pocket. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, so that's our hometown journal. This one is the envelope one. The other one that I made was the file folder one, and it was the taller, you know, made with the vertical pages. So yeah. This one, I don't know, I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you can make yourself one. I'm going to be listing this on a new shop site. And I'll give all the details on that when I do it because it's still in the works. But there's a new shop site that is looking pretty cool. So yeah, I think it's gonna work. I'll keep one and sell the other one. That way, this one's gonna be the one for sale. That way I'll have a sort of a I guess I'll know what I did before, then I don't have to wonder, what did I do? You know? Some people make an ideas book for that, all right? I don't. I just make a spare journal, you know? And then I know what I did, so I can redo it. That's a lot of times what we do. We find our favorite things, and we do them. Sometimes we do different variations of them and whatnot, but yeah, that's what we do. We find our favorite things. Okay, now this is just tied up with some of that. It's a wide seam binding. It's very soft. So, yeah. Oh, and I did put a made with love and a key on each signature strings. So, that's pretty cool. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this little flip through and stroll down memory lane. It came together so fast. I didn't think it was going to be, you know, that quick, but it sure did. And I enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you guys did. You guys take care. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. TTFN.